Grope Train. Another day on the Grope Train.
Gentlemen, my name is Eilene Valarezo.
And my name is Aliyah Smith.
And we're from Lehman Wellness. Tonight, I am proud to reintroduce, after 6 years, the Lehman Players. For those who don't know, Lehman Players is a theater group that perform topics around college, health, and wellness.
And tonight we are raising awareness against sexual harassment or training.
Something that we don't pay much mind to, but it's a real big issue, especially as a commuter school.
And us, along with our fellow colleagues like Cash, are proud to produce our first production called
The Grope Train.
So please sit back, relax, and
Enjoy our show.
thank you.
Thank you.
Another day to board the Grope Train. To have a good ride, you have to be safe. As people board and it gets full, people start to shove and pull. Everybody on here minding their own business, but there's a groper. Am I the only witness? The train comes to a stop, and he looks back. He already found his victim and is ready to attack.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here trying to sell candy for my school, not for myself. I got here Kit Kat Skittles, I got Hershey's, I got M&M shoes, I got Welch's, all for $1. Anyone want candies? Sure, my good sir. Candy?
He made an attack, but then withdrew.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
The victim left shocked, stunned, and in awe. What time is it?
It's show time.
Please make some room for the finest dancers in NYC. No one seems to notice what just happened. They were busy distracted by the dancing Michael Jackson. Here we go again with another groper who already was on. Sit back and watch. We're in for another groping marathon.
Hey, what are you looking at so hard? Look! You think he knows what she's doing to you?
I mean, I don't think he minded because she's hot.
She touched the victim on her first try, but the passenger spoke up instead of being a standby. Ding, ding. The victim looked scared and yes, horrified. They offered him a seat to make sure he was all right. As for the groper, she left satisfied.
Sir?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, definitely. Why wouldn't I be?
That girl that just left the train sexually harassed you.
What? No, you serious? No. The train was just rocking really hard and we just lost our balance, that's all.
No, honey. She wanted a piece of that, if you know what I mean.
Really? That's how it looked?
Yes, honey.
I don't know. I did feel a little uncomfortable, but I didn't really pay any mind.
Well, this is our stop. Be careful, there's a lot of strangers out there.
Alright, take care, you guys. Able to have.
When you're on this train, watch out for those type of girls. I'm just a passenger who sees everything, but then again fails to say something. No one seems to care, so why should I? These things should be addressed, not just go by. I don't know if they're scared or just shy, but no one should be a silent victim in my eye. The train comes to a stop, and he almost fell.
Don't you dare touch me!
She yelled. Everyone stopped and stared.
I'm sorry, it was an accident. Come down.
He replied, and silence filled the air.
Calm down. You were on my personal space the whole entire time. Listen, I
It
believe
was an
in
accident. Come down. What you getting like that for? Come down, Mom. No, you're not even working, man. You don't understand.
You okay? Doesn't look appropriate, no? I wasn't alright.
But the bystanders made it their business to say something. Everyone in relief, the victim raised as she tried to contain.
Well, that only happens here.
Another day on the Grope Train.
Thank you very much for being here and being a part of our very first experience here, our debut production. We're coming back. Here on the stage we have Aliyah,
Yours? Lawrence. Dennis.
Eilene,
Melissa.
Michael. Sean.
and my name is Eilene. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy. On your tables, there's a little survey in our play field. If you guys can kindly answer the survey question, that's super awesome. Have a good evening.